What the? What is up and welcome back to my channel ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button as well as give this unboxing and review a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions that you guys may have at the end of this video down below, as well as do not forget to hit that notification bell as we have a ton of heat coming out that I do not want you guys to miss. And as always, guys, there's that new button. Hit that join, become a part of the Shade community. You know you want to. Look at all the extra perks that you will get in those different membership platforms, as well as do not forget to look at our new merch that we launched. Such an exciting moment for us, so do not forget to take a peek at what we have to offer. So let's get to it. That is right, the Jordan 5 what the don't even know what to say here. We are going to go through the overview of this shoe. Again, this is the 30-year anniversary for the Jordan 5s. So what better than for the Jordan, franchise to come out with a shoe that exemplifies colorways from this silhouette in so many different colors. This is going to be an exciting moment to go through each shoe individually because, as you guys can see, they're two different colorways. So we are going to go through that overview to start. Then I'm going to talk about sizing. After sizing, we are going to talk about how I was able to style these insanely colorfully bright and intricate patterned shoes. And then we're going to conclude with the resale on how these shoes are currently doing in the market. So let's get to it. My goodness, this may take a little bit longer just because we have a lot going on these shoes. My goodness. So we are going to start with the right shoe. As you guys can see, we have a beautiful yellow upper that goes on the medial and lateral side of this shoe. It is a beautiful bright sunshine yellow tone that we're seeing, and this is from 2011's Air Jordan 5 Tokyos. If you guys are unfamiliar with the Tokyos, that is a shoe that goes for four-figure sums right now, and I'm not saying that four-figure even starts with a 1. That is how insane that value of that shoe is going for. So if you guys have some Tokyos, let me know if you want to trade me for the what the. May be able to make a deal with you, or two if you have two as well. So the Tokyos were originally released, for those of you who are unfamiliar with that specific colorway, because a flagship store in Japan opened in Tokyo, and that was a celebration of the flagship opening in Tokyo. And of course, they launched the beautiful, brightly yellow colored shoes that are now worth a ton of money. So if you were able to cop those, I'm a jealous person right now. I'm very jealous of you. What can I say? So the tongue uses 2006's Army Olive hues that are going on here. We see that in that just bright metallic color with that pop of orange on the Jumpman logo there. And the printed graphic on the collar lining draws from 2007's laser midsoles and outsoles. Also pull from 2013's Fresh Prince at Bel Air. But let's just take a look at this 2007 laser here. It's pretty cool, right? Oh, such an intricate design. All right, so also, as you guys know, I'm obsessed with the Bel Airs. The midsole and outsole are inspired from the 2013. So we can see that here with the purple and that bright pop of green, translucent sole. And on our little sharky teeth here, we've got that painted neon splatter marks with that blue. All right, now let's move on to the next shoe. My goodness, it's like doing two shoes here just because of the changes. So the left foot that we have here borrows red suede from 2009's Raging Bull patch. That's where we're getting this beautiful pops of red color tones. And I do love actually like how opposite each of these colors are, from the bright pop of yellow to this bright pop of red. And so the yellow heel badge is actually right on the side here, and that is taken from 2013's Rare Shanghai. So if you're wondering what that patch is, there you go. This is borrowing from the Shanghai colorway. It's very nicely embroidered actually, this patch here. It feels really nice. Bel Air also making a return here on the collar, as you can see there. Actually, let me just bring these up so you can actually see how similar that is in the coloring tone. It's like right on par with it. And the bright green tongue here is borrowing from that Volt green accents from 2006 cult classic, the Green Bean. Nice pop of green there. While the black midsoles and Volt outsoles are co-opted from 2011's Rare Quay 54 PE. So that's where we've got this beautiful, just metallic silver with splatter marks in black, that nice translucent green, and that black to top it off. And then on both shoes, we've got the just black laces, which I think I'm glad we went with simplified laces. On the pull tab here, we've got a black and a green, different color variation there. And the Jumpman on both of these is black. And the bubble is still see-through in that clear coloring scheme. And there you have it, a mouthful of the what thes. You just like spit it all out and there you have it. You've got the what the colorway. All right, you guys, so now let's talk about sizing. So I typically am a 7.5 in men's for the Jordan 5s. I stuck true to my size in this, as I do think is very similar to all my other Jordan 5s that I've had in the past. So definitely stay true to size. Again, for those of you who are unfamiliar with my shoe sizing, I'm a woman size 9, 7.5 in men's. I do have narrow, high arched feet. So again, that will depend on your shape of your foot as far as what shoe size will work best for you. All right, now let's jump into styling, talk about how I style these intricate shoes. So I really wanted to just pull from the colors that I saw in each shoe. So for some of the outfits, I really took on the red colors, and for the yellow, I also wanted to pull some yellow tones in my wardrobe as well. For the first look, I went with my Supreme Fleece and that color blocking. I love how many colors are going on in that fleece, and I feel like it really mimics both the coloring schemes in both of these shoes. So we've got the yellows, we've got the blues, we've got the red, the white, the black, you name it, it's spot on. Pair that with just some simple black leggings, just because, you know, this shoe needs a little break here and there, I feel like. So those black pants, as you guys know, love me some black.
I only work in black, and sometimes very, very dark gray.
Always loving to wear black. So that definitely just kind of gave this shoe, I feel like, a breather from that fleece.
Gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the beat, beat. I gotta hit the beat. gotta hit the beat. I gotta hit the beat. I gotta pump that bubble, it's over. It's the end of October. Champagne on the shoulder.
Next up, I wore a plaid shirt in red. I just really loved the plaid in effect with this red coloring scheme on the Raging Bull color side. I think that the red and black plaid just really pops with this, as well as those leather sleeves, just kind of giving a more kind of leathery appeal for that more fashion forward with where the trends are going this fall and winter season, with lots of leather going on in the wardrobe, which seems to be very trending. And then I paired that with just those plain simple black leggings again, just to kind of break up that pattern and coloring scheme. All right, so last but not least, I wore my Supreme underlayer crew neck in the red coloring scheme. Again, I just feel like red really pops and works off of both of these shoes. Pair that with a denim kind of cowboyish coat to top it up with some just simplified gray sweatpants. I think these shoes will definitely go well with any type of sweatpants, especially if they're a more neutral color, just to kind of be the backstage for the centerpiece, which is for sure these shoes. These are definitely shoes you are going to be standing out no matter what. I mean, these are definitely stop and stare, look at me like, are those the same shoe? Are they different shoes? Yes, I know. It's going to be hard to not have people stare at your feet when you're wearing the what those. There's just no possible way, because they are so intricate and so crazy in color scheme. All right, you guys, those are the three options that I styled these shoes with. Let me know what your favorite was, or how would you style these shoes. Also, let me know if you guys were able to cop these and if this is one of your favorite colorways, or if you prefer other fives per se. All right, you guys, let's end and conclude with how these shoes are doing in the resale market. All right, so the what does, all right, so the what does, let me get my pronunciation of the shoe right, retailed for $220, and they are currently reselling for around $250 to $270 depending on what size you're looking at. For those of you who are wondering exactly what those Tokyos are currently going for, it's like $3,800. I don't know. So hey, you have half of a Tokyo right here. I mean, this could go crazy. I don't know. This is like maybe $1,500 here technically, right? It's like, hey guys, anybody want half of a Tokyo? I've got it right here. Yeah, that's right. Is enough yellow for you? Is it enough? We even have the mark here, right there. $1,500 right here. It's all yours. All yours. All right, guys, thank you so much again for tuning in to another one of my unboxings and reviews. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button if you have not already. as well as give this video and review and unboxing a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions below if you guys have any. And do not forget to smash that notification bell, as we do want you guys to be updated on every video that we post as soon as it's up and loaded to YouTube. Do not forget to hit that join button, as we do want each and every one of you to become a part of the Shade Gang community. And don't forget to take a look at that new merchandise, guys. I know it's Christmas time. You can already hear the sleigh bells jingling. Or is that just me walking through the mall because they're all playing Christmas songs right now? That could be it too. Alright, you guys, again, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next video.
It's beginning to look a lot like